fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is going to be another shop my stash, get ready with me. This time I'm going to be using the BeautyBay Disney in color palette. I've got the Bambi one, and I'm not sure, I might dip into the Alice in Wonderland one. This one is pretty light, so I did want to use them as like blending colors, but my main focus is this one because I just love it. It's so pretty. So it's gonna be like a quick wash of color. I'm not gonna do anything too intense. I'm also thinking about using the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Opal Ice because it's extremely pretty. It just is so iridescent and pretty. Yeah, I'm thinking of using that on the eyes, just like as a shimmer, shimmer. So if you're interested in seeing how the look comes out, then definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's jump right in. It's a sad day in Medea JHQ. I am on my last Ultra Don't Play Gel. I don't know if I can survive without this, so I'm gonna need to pick up some more. Hopefully, I don't know, but I'm gonna need more. So this is the Ofra Don't Play Brow Gel. Don't sleep on this brow gel. If you're looking for a brow gel that's gonna make your brows sleep, definitely use it. One top trick I would say, if you moisturize before you do your makeup, take a little cotton pad with nothing on it and just clean your brows. Just take the oils off. You know, you can go one step further with a toner or makeup remover or something to just take the slip out of your brows. Trust me, it makes a difference. So I'm gonna, yeah, get these brows in shape. Once it's fully dried, should have something like that. Nice flat slip. Very nice. Alright, so for the outer and inner corner of my eye, I'm using the darkest blue in this palette. I'm going to use this one. It's a little bit darker than what you're seeing on camera, but I'm going to use this. I'm also going to use this color to blend out the edge of this. And then I'm going to pop this one in the center of my eye before using the liquid shadow. So that's simple, honestly. So I'm using a tapered blending brush, and the name rubbed off on this one, but it's quite a tapered brush. So inner corner, and I'm patting it rather than swiping because I want the saturation of the shadow, and I want to be a little bit precise with my placement. And now the edge, I'm using the Morphe M502 brush, which is a bushier, if you like, blending brush. And I'm taking the second shadow, and this time I'm just blending out the edge of the first one. I'm taking it to the center as well, just lightly. And because I want it to be a wash of color, I'm not dabbing, I'm swiping. And then I'll go back and add the first color because I've lost some of that from the blend. So for the center of the eye, I'm going in with the cream shade that I showed you. And I'm patting that on top. Taking that a little high as well. And then just finessing the edge. Alright, you should have that so far. For the liquid shadow, I'm going to apply some to my hand and then I'll use my finger to dab it on my lid. And I'm just dabbing it on the center and spreading it out. See, it just has like a beautiful iridescent effect. Like so. Hopefully you can see the shine, but I see it in person. It's so pretty. So now for the liner, I'm going to use the Ofra Fixed Line Eyeliner in black. Alright, so that's it for now for the eyes. I think I might wear lashes today, but that's it for now. I'm going to move on to my face. You've seen me do my face a lot of times, so I'm just going to put some music on and let's get it done. Right, let's pop back to the eyes real quick. So I'm going to use the Makeup Obsession X Tiffany eye pencil in Cocktail. So this is an eye kohl. I used this in one of my recent videos and I love it. Plus we're going to use the purple or the lilac in the palette anyway. So I'm going to pop that in my waterline and drag it down my lower lash line a little bit. Like so. I mean, even like this is a look. This is a look. Alright, so let's get a good brush. And I'm going to go into like a dark lilac shade. So pretty in the pan. Hopefully it translates just as well. It's very light. Doesn't look like it's doing much, but it's giving a little bit of a smoky effect. Yeah. Yeah, almost there. I'm not mad at this. I think this is very spring, very bright. So to settle down the powders, I'm gonna use the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I didn't actually use any face powders, which is nice, I think. Because of the lilac eyes, I'm feeling like a little colored highlighter would look pretty. So I'm using this one from Pixie. This is the Rose Dew highlighter. Get a little brush. It's just gorgeous. Like the way it picks up the light is absolutely stunning. Yeah. Like just live my unicorn fantasy. Unicorn will make it everyday wear. Yeah. You know? Pretty. Lash primer is going to be the Morphe Big Prime. Mascara is going to be the Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash. I am going to wear some false lashes today. I know I haven't worn lashes in a little bit, but I am feeling it today. While my lashes are drying, we're just going to do a quick nude lip, like no brainer. So I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. Yes, I do love to overline. And then I'm going to use the Morphe matte lipstick in Boo. Yeah. I love it. Right, lashes are on. Yeah, I love this look. This is so pretty. All right, so this is the finished look. Definitely let me know what you think. I think this is so cute. Perfect for spring, summer, very bright, vibrant on the eyes. Lips are neutral, little moment on the cheekbones. I love it. So, all thanks to the little Bambi palette from BeautyBay. I am so happy that I picked up these palettes. I think they are on sale. They're on sale often. And the quality of this palette is amazing. Very beautiful, very easy to blend, very pigmented. Didn't take me a long time to create this look. You can do it. It's very easy. Three eyeshadows, a liquid shadow if you have. If you don't have it, just keep the white and it will still come out looking pretty. And then the lilac on the bottom, you don't really need it. It didn't really do much. Probably created a little bit of a smoky effect, just a little bit. But with the mascara on, can't really tell. So just, yeah, stick to the eye pencil and yeah, I know. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this look? What do you think about the products that I use? Are there any products that you would like some more information on? This is obviously part of my Shop My Stash series. So when I do come to you and change up my Shop My Stash products, I will give you a review on my thoughts of the products that I pulled. But if you're interested in anything that I've used, before I do that video, then definitely leave it in the comment section and I will get to it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Turn on your post notifications so you know when next I release a video. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black Lives always matter. And I'll catch you in a future video. Bye.